In the vast landscape of industrial growth, every efficient and stable operation relies on a powerful and reliable cooling system. Today, let's unveil the excellence of cooling towers and explore Casen Heat Transfer, a company with 14 years of industry expertise. Casen has established itself as a true leader in cooling tower innovation. Our elite R&D team of 25 top engineers and experts, including 20% senior engineers, continuously drives innovation, overcoming 13 major industry challenges and securing 65 patents, continuously breaking through industry bottlenecks. With advanced aerodynamic design, Casen cooling towers achieve superior performance compared with traditional cooling towers. 30% increase in heat exchange efficiency, 20% reduction in energy consumption, 32% overall efficiency improvement. From scorching deserts exceeding 4 degrees Celsius to coastal regions with 70% humidity, Casen cooling towers ensure stable and efficient operation, keeping equipment at peak performance. High-quality corrosion-resistant materials withstands Class 3 acid and alkali corrosion, ensuring a 15-year lifespan. Precision manufacturing, key components machined with 5 毫米 accuracy. Strict quality control, 35 rigorous inspections, 99.99% pass rate. Casen cooling towers are widely used in power plants, data centers, foundries, and chemical industries. In a major chemical plant project, Casen's outstanding performance solved complex cooling challenges, reducing cooling costs by 35% and earning high praise from clients. Choose Casen, the smart choice for efficient, reliable, and energy-saving cooling solutions. Let us work together to drive industrial progress through innovation.